Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use keyframes in a light motion. Keyframes are essential tools for bringing your designs to life, allowing you to animate various properties of your layers. They mark specific points in time where an object's characteristics, as its position, size, or rotation, will change. By setting just 2 or more keyframes, you can create smooth, dynamic transitions and movements, transforming static images into engaging animations with ease and precision. To begin animating, first select the specific layer you want to work with directly in your timeline. Once your layer is chosen, navigate to the Move and Transform tab, which is where you will find all the properties you can animate. Look for the small diamond-shaped icon and tap it to place your very first keyframe. This action sets the initial state of your layer at that precise moment in time. Now, to create movement, simply drag the playhead to a different point further along your timeline. With the playhead in its new position, adjust any of your layer's properties, such as its position, scale, or even its rotation. A light motion will automatically generate a second keyframe at this new point, capturing the changes you have made. This establishes the animation's end state, creating a transition between the 2 points. To truly elevate your animation, dive into the graph editor. Here, you can precisely adjust the easing and speed of your transitions, making movements feel more natural or dramatic. Experiment with various interpolation curves to achieve unique and dynamic motion paths. If you need to remove a keyframe, simply select it and tap the trash can icon. These tools allow you to fine-tune your animations for a truly professional and polished final result.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.